Subject: Banking, Insurance and Financial Service. Subject is core production or service offered in retail banking. Teacher: Sneha Sharaf. My name is UJAS NASIT Pareshbhai, SYBBA C, roll number 163. Topic: Core products or service offered in retail banking. Core production or service offered in retail banking: transaction accounts, saving accounts, debit accounts, ATM cards, credit cards, traveler checks, home equity loans, personal loans, and certificates of deposit and terms and conditions. Saving account. A saving account is a bank account at a retail bank whose features include the requirements that only a limited number of withdrawal can take place. It does not have check faculties and usually do not have linked debit card and facilities. It has a limited transfer facilities and cannot be overdrawn. Traditionally, transaction or service account were widely recorded in a passbook and were sometimes called to passbook saving accounts, and bank statements were not provided. However, currently some transactions are commodity and recorded electronic and accessible online. Saving account advantages and disadvantages. Advantages is access and availability, protection. It's a liquid asset. Saving account accruing interest, low startup requirement, automated bill payments, no clock in period. Disadvantages is minimum balance requirements, low interest rate, federal withdrawal limited, access and availabilities, rates and change, inflation and compounded interest. Transaction account. A transaction account is also called a checking account, current account, demand deposit account, and share draft account. At credit unions, it is a deposit account held at a bank or other financial institution. It is available to the account on demand, and it's available for frequent and immediately accessed by the account owner or to the other as the account owner may direct. Access may be in a variety of ways, such as cash withdrawal, use of debit cards, checks, and electric transfer. In economic terms, the funds held a transaction account are regarded as liquidity funds. It according terms they are considered as cash. Transaction account advantages and disadvantages. Advantages is current account allow handling of large volume and receipts and payment systematically. Overdraft facilities are also available for current account holder. Withdrawal from current account without my limit subject to banking cash transaction tax if any levied by government. It also provides various other advantages such as deposit and withdrawal of money at any time location and multi-location fund transfer. Disadvantages is there is an opportunity cost of losing the interest rates due to low the or zero interest on money in current account. The involved paperwork and fine print server to be lightly and confusing. Hug fees due to corporate business transaction. There is a limit on the amount of fund that can be withdrawn in a day. Mortgage. Mortgage loan or simply mortgage is loan used either by purchase of real property to raise funds to buy real estate and alternative by exiting property owner to raise fund for any purpose while putting line on the property being mortgaged. This means legal machinery in put in the place which allows the leader to take provision and sell the secured property to pay off the loan in even the browser default on the loan otherwise fails to buy in turn. Mortgage advantages and disadvantages. Advantages comparative to leading rates from wholesale leader. More options for browser with income assets and credit profile that are not out the ordinary. Disadvantages have a little control over leading and decision. Broker fee may not working in the best interest.